ner mala kenyam biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel ka jan gwas me gor jen wo bay nyak ka raj mishalat kuäär Rwanda ni Paul kagama no jarwaja danan bukon ling raj me gor ling kenyam bako raj mandan le rode ka kore bejode biya joling ke mandan lade jen charaj ka rega dan le rode re wicha ka Congo shirmangai kono no tama Congo te kor kan initial m23 rebel ke jidwar content initial m23 kan kono ka racha me gorje gwano mi jira mi jidit ka Nuer online TV channel gorje no jender jan waga nasin ko ken ko de ler titi de kan chamala chub gosnten gor kon ken o de ko tin bana lera me bana jelinkel ka do badan en charge non kaja rajan shalat gwasame kuäär Rwanda ni Paul kagama ke kui m23 in chigoma city shekap jen chajalado ne na ngu mishia chunkel ke m23 ke jamo chena jogono ngu mishia ke support ngu mishia gorno kene to de kan take chat kene din ko kiano ne tie janir kon tila reporter kinir kon la rwanya lat ke ngum menyer yene m23 ke ngum log yene kamone kene de ti ke Congolese ka ken lat ke je ka kuäär danan ke men ku Congo le ke ajene ngum misha je gorno biya tok biya jala don che kula no do badanan shune kel kon m23 ke kwa ka support ke je kuiko ken ter ken shondien chana jamilin gwasa me kamana chalat kata dan ngai kone je no re wajin wini min tam ko te ten kan wajan chaja gwanye ram kel michun kel ken de konde la jedwar banje chulin kel ka do bran en chano ngaje ene wanaten wa.
Well, those who accuse us, I would ask them why they actually don't support M23 themselves. Including AFP, as a journalist. Why don't you support M23? Or why is the question, you support M23 or you don't support M23? First of all, what is M23? M23 is an organization born in and out of Congo. That's number one. Number two, these are Congolese. And you will hear even Congo admit it. Now, why do they exist? Why are they fighting? Why do they have arms? Is another question. It is also a simple question. They exist because they have been denied their rights as citizens of that country. They are called Tutsis of Rwanda. Fine. But then you need to be educated also a little bit about history. We have Rwandan communities in Congo who are Congolese, and by the way, these are not just Tutsis, it is the same social structure of a country that is also there in Congo. Like, in fact, we have other neighboring countries where they are, but they are citizens of those countries. We have 100,000 people originating from this community, 100,000 who have been living here in Rwanda in refugee camps for the last 2 decades. Why? Because they are being uprooted from their ancestral homes, persecuted, and sent across. In fact, there are more in Uganda. There are 300, there's 100,000 here, there are hundreds of thousands there in Uganda, more numbers. So M23 is born out of that situation. That's why I asked the question. I said, well, why wouldn't anybody else, why are we being accused as Rwanda of supporting M23? And I'm saying even those who accuse us, actually I should accuse them of not supporting M23 because it is as if they agree with the injustice that is being done to this community. Otherwise, if you didn't agree with that injustice, you would be actually raising questions. Why these people of M23 being treated like this? Why are we having 100,000 refugees here in Rwanda? That's where you would start from. Not start from asking Rwanda, are you supporting M23 or not? Are you still denying it? Because you are asking the wrong question. The issue is not whether anybody supports M23 or not. The issue is, what is actually the problem of M23? That's the question you should have asked, in fact. What is the problem? What is this thing called M23? Are they human beings? Are they this? Are they Rwandans? Are they Congolese? Are they that? Why? Why do they exist? Why do they even have arms and are fighting in their own country? This is the right question that I should be asked. So whether Rwanda supports or associated in any way is actually immaterial. It is relevant to the question. Or even you, if you want to educate yourself or educate the public, the question should have been simple. Ask me, by the way, what do you understand the M23 to be? What is it? That's a fair question. That's the one I would wish to be associated with rather than whether I support or not support. The kagama you see or there or you like or you don't like is going to be there anyway.
Right, shall I me Janishunga Kel ke M23 ke mugije bono shunga kel ke shan shunga ke chegujano pol kagama shunga kel ke M23 ke shunga ke M23 jona mo baditin alam nyon ya no jan shunga kel ke M23 okay man gur kono gwas me men shaling ata dana shala no jan shunga kel to ke M23 ka do bana shaling je M23 taken ke refugees to chop ke kina to court today we ka Rwanda ke kan chor ke tusi nyoka ken en M23 bonate ke ne ti chop ke kina to court to Uganda dene jan go dana be M23 ten ko ne ti cha ka pen chondien ajan dana lade no mi mo jojo long jan ne ti te loko ngum chonkel ke there are ti ka Rwanda bono jin no jeno ke ne ti de ke chu jan M23 ka ngum de lel ko bi choje me batok no mi bi ni yen kuram lela gori ngi ten kon we gore wucin bi mi ne me jena na chalat pol kagama jeni jen do bran chonkel ka ne bana le jemro den bi ataka mal